Ready to rumble in the world of customer relationship management? Today, we're pitting Zendesk against Salesforce to help you decide which CRM champion reigns supreme for your business. First up, Zendesk. Known for its robust customer support features, Zendesk shines with its user-friendly ticketing system, comprehensive knowledge base capabilities, and seamless live chat integration. Think efficient customer service. Then we have Salesforce, the CRM giant. Salesforce excels in sales automation, lead management, opportunity tracking, and providing in-depth sales forecasting, ideal for managing complex sales cycles. Now, let's talk money. Zendesk's pricing is generally more accessible for smaller businesses focusing on customer support, while Salesforce's pricing scales with its extensive features, making it suitable for larger enterprises with complex sales needs. So, who wins? If your priority is streamlined customer support and ease of use, especially for a small to medium-sized business, Zendesk might be your winner. But if you need a powerful, highly customizable CRM with advanced sales and marketing automation features for a larger enterprise, Salesforce is the clear choice. Ultimately, the best CRM depends on your unique business needs and priorities. Weigh your options, consider your budget, and choose the platform that empowers you to build stronger customer relationships and drive business growth.